Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will talk about a very special topic, dinner with family. Family dinners are not just about eating together. They are a time for bonding, sharing, and building strong relationships. In this video, we will explore the importance of family dinners and how you can make the most of this precious time. Let's get started. Family dinners play a vital role in bringing people together. In our busy lives, it can be hard to find time to sit down with family and talk. But sharing a meal is one of the best ways to connect with loved ones. Studies have shown that families who eat together are happier, healthier, and more connected. It's not just about the food, it's about the conversations, the laughter, and the time spent together. One of the biggest benefits of family dinners is improved communication. Sitting down at the table gives everyone a chance to talk and listen to each other. Whether it's about school, work, or daily life, sharing your thoughts with family helps you feel understood and supported. For children, it's a great opportunity to practice speaking and listening skills. Parents can also model good communication by asking open-ended questions and encouraging discussion. It's important to create a relaxing and comfortable atmosphere during family dinners. Make sure that the dining area is clean and free from distractions like phones, TVs, or tablets. Try to set a calm mood with soft lighting and maybe some background music. When the environment is peaceful, it encourages everyone to focus on the conversation and enjoy the meal together. Family dinners don't have to be serious all the time. You can make them fun and interactive. Play a game where each person shares something good that happened to them during the day. Or try a round of guess the ingredient in the dish. You can also take turns picking a theme for the dinner, like Italian night or Taco Tuesday. These little activities help keep everyone engaged and excited about dinner time. Encouraging children to help with dinner preparation is a great way to get them involved. They can help set the table, choose the menu, or even assist with cooking simple meals. When children participate in making the dinner, they feel more connected and responsible for the family time. It also teaches them valuable life skills like cooking, organization, and teamwork. While family dinners are about bonding, they are also a chance to enjoy good food together. Try to balance healthy meals with some fun treats that everyone enjoys. You can introduce new dishes or family recipes to keep things interesting. It's also a great time to teach children about the importance of balanced nutrition and portion control. Remember, the goal is to enjoy the meal while making healthy choices. Dinner time is perfect for sharing stories and experiences. Whether it's about something funny that happened at work or a lesson learned in school, stories bring everyone closer. You can also ask family members to share something new they learned or a challenge they faced that day. This not only strengthens bonds, but also teaches children how to express themselves better. Storytelling is a valuable skill, and family dinners are the perfect place to practice it. Family dinners have many benefits for children's development. Studies show that children who eat regularly with their families tend to perform better in school, have better social skills, and are less likely to engage in risky behavior. The routine of sitting down together for a meal helps children feel secure and cared for. They learn the importance of family values, respect, and communication. Family dinners provide an opportunity for parents to guide their children in a positive and supportive environment. Regular family dinners help build stronger bonds between family members. It's a time when everyone can leave behind the stresses of the day and just focus on being together. Whether it's discussing challenges or celebrating achievements, this shared time strengthens emotional connections. Even if the dinner is simple, what matters most is the love and support shared around the table. We all have busy schedules, but it's important to make time for family dinners whenever possible. If you can't have dinner together every day, aim for a few times a week. It doesn't have to be a formal meal. Even a simple home-cooked or takeout dinner can be meaningful. The key is to prioritize time for each other. By setting aside this time, you're creating a family tradition that everyone will look forward to. To wrap up, family dinners are much more than just meals. They are opportunities for bonding, communication, and teaching important life skills. By making family dinners a regular part of your routine, you can help build a stronger and more connected family. So, the next time you sit down for dinner, remember to enjoy the conversation, share stories, and make the most of your time together. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on improving your English skills and building strong family connections. See you in the next video.